Hello, I'm Nick from TIRAPID. Are you looking for a reliable and a competitive supplier for your CNC machine parts with a fast turnaround? At TIRAPID, we specialize in prototype CNC machining and custom non-standard machine parts. We offer a wide range of CNC machining services, include milling, turning, and secondary operations like drilling, tapping, EDM, and wire cutting. We can work with over 30 different types of engineering plastics and almost all metal materials. Our CNC machining services support your project right from the prototyping stage. This allows your design team to closely prototype the look, function, and the material properties of the final product. Compared to 3D printed parts, CNC machine parts deliver superior surface finishes with additional processes like sandblasting, polishing, or surface treatments. The prototypes can match or even exceed the quality of molded products. When your project moves from testing to production, CNC machining is an ideal solution for small batch manufacturing of custom parts. Do you need 10 pieces or 10,000 pieces? We have the skills and the experience to deliver efficient service at reasonable prices. At TIRAPID, our standard machining tolerances are ISO 2768-M for plastics and ISO 2768-F for metals. Typically, we maintain CNC machining tolerances from plus or minus 0.125 millimeters to plus or minus 0.05 millimeters. Do you need tighter tolerances? In our temperature-controlled precision machining facility, we can achieve tolerances of plus or minus 0.01 millimeters or even plus or minus 0.005 millimeters to meet your critical designing and manufacturing requirements.
Let us provide you with high precision, top quality, and effective parts, no matter of the quantity. Thank you, and have a good day.